Hi guys, this is Monique and welcome to my channel.
I love it when it's loud, I love it when it's big. You can feel it in the crowd.
In today's video, we're going to tackle about or discuss about sentences. But not just sentences, but the kinds of sentences. But before that, please hit the subscribe button and please like and share to your friends. And please hit the bell button for you to be notified on my upcoming videos. Okay, let's get to the video, everyone here knows what is a sentence, but let me give you a concrete definition of a sentence. Okay, a sentence is a set of words composed of a subject and a predicate. Simple as that. And now I'm going to give you an example of a sentence. Krista! Come here. Make it fast. Okay, Krista is just here for the video. So, okay, Krista, can you give me an example of a sentence?
Jonelle, so sad.
Okay. So, what is the subject of the sentence? You got it right. Jonelle is the subject of the sentence. And now, what is the predicate? Okay, you got it right. Is so sad is the predicate of the sentence. Without further ado, let us start to discuss about the kinds of sentences. We have four: the interrogative, the exclamatory, the imperative, and the declarative sentences. So, what is declarative sentence? Girl!
Declarative sentence is a sentence that shows or expresses informations, facts, and ideas. Example, they went to school.
Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Okay, what is imperative sentence? Girl, come here.
An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives instructions, requests, or commands. Example, can you please get me bag?
I'm sorry. And proceed to interrogative sentence. Honey.
An interrogative sentence asks a direct question and is punctuated at the end with a question mark. For example, honey, where are you?
That's another example of an interrogative sentence, honey. And lastly, the exclamatory sentence. Kumare.
An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that shows emotions, strong emotions, and feelings. Let's say, for example, there's a frog!
Oh, another frog. Now let's recap. What are the kinds of sentences?
The declarative sentence, the imperative sentence,
The interrogative sentence?
the exclamatory sentence.
That's it. Those are the things that we have learned today. What is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentences, right?
Yes!
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, see ya!
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay.